Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And a couple of weeks ago, somebody asked me how to create what I'm going to call layered art. And it's pretty cool. It's really pretty simple once you kind of get the hang of it. And I've started a couple of videos on this, but I've learned a little bit. So I'm going to share that also. But I want to share this file, which is 6 layers. And some of them are in black because I contoured them right at the end, but they're all hairlines, they're all cut out. I'm going to share them on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw one word file share, and they'll be right here in the file section. And I'm also going to share them on Epilogue's laser fan page, and it'll be right there in the file. You really need to watch the videos before you start cutting it out and gluing it. And I'm gonna make another video on how to glue it. I have not glued this together yet because I'm gonna paint it. But I came up with the idea of making a glue jig. And the cool thing about this is your bottom layer. And I'm gonna make a video on how to produce this and where you can glue them together. Because when you're gluing 6 pieces of wood together, they're going to slide around. So here it is in the jig, and it's going to glue real good, but I'm going to paint them first. But anyway, this is layered art, and then I'm going to make a video on how to create this for the glue jig. So stay tuned for further videos. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.